Good morning and happy Friday, everybody. It's been a crazy busy week for us at the office. This is the third week of January. Usually people are just getting over the holidays and they start calling us around the third week, and it's just answering phone calls left and right. Our office, even though we're in Tempe, we service some Tempe, Scottsdale, Mesa, and Chandler, amongst all the other cities in the state, but those are where we're hired for the most. So Tempe, Scottsdale, Chandler, Mesa. And the West Mesa Justice Court, although our office is in Tempe, is our closest court. And it's the proximity of it is jurisdiction is right on the 101 and the 202. People headed up to Scottsdale for the Barrett-Jackson or the Phoenix Open. Spring training games, the Cubbies are over there. And we get a lot of phone calls for reckless driving. So people call me like, what Matt, what's reckless driving? And what I tell them is reckless driving is confusing, it's ambiguous, it's sort of undefined, if you will. And what it says is you can be charged with reckless driving if you're operating your car or motorcycle, which we get a lot of, with a reckless disregard for the safety of others. What is that, right? I mean, who knows? An officer, if they think that you're going too fast, that's reckless driving. If you're weaving between cars, it's reckless driving. My best advice, because of the complexity of this charge, because of the seriousness, right? Because it could result in a license suspension. If it's your second reckless driving, it could result in jail, right? Your insurance is going to skyrocket. You're going to have a criminal conviction on your record that you cannot get off. Hiring a lawyer is something that you have to do, okay? And because our office is just a stone's throw from from West Mesa, we charge a little bit less than our competitors, at least as far as I know. So don't go at this alone. Don't think, people call my office all the time and they say, hey, I'm just going to explain the situation to the judge. If you're even thinking that, all right, you have no idea the process of criminal procedure. It does not work like that at all. You can't just explain to the judge that you're the nicest person in the world with no criminal history, and the judge is going to say, oh yeah, you're right, case dismissed. It works nothing like that. It could not be further from reality. We know the ins and outs. We know the little tricks. We know we've got sophisticated ways of investigating a case and getting involved in interviewing officers and negotiating. So hiring us is a smart move. It's a good value. It's something you should do, okay, if you have a reckless driving charge at the West Mesa Justice Court. You can call our office anytime, 602-980-1987. If you want to speak directly to me, I'm always there, Monday through Friday, 8 to 5. We're even available after hours. Just ask for Matt Lopez, and I'd be more than happy to help you out and show you and tell you exactly what we can do, how we can help you. 602-980-1987 if you have a reckless driving charge at the West Mesa Justice Court.